Hey guys, what's going on? MD here. Short Blender tutorial for the very beginners, including me. This is about changing your perspective that you have right now into the camera. So as you can see here, there's a camera. We can also select that camera if we go to the scene. Now you can move this by the axis, or you can press left control, alt and numpad 0 all at once, and then you change your perspective to the camera view. So this is really helpful, especially for beginners and new people, because you don't have the hassle of moving this camera on the axis all the time, selecting it and doing all these things with Z, X and Y, I think. Anyhow, oh, I just removed that cube. Anyhow, so yeah, if you press Control, Alt and numpad 0, you change your perspective right now to the camera. So this is especially handy in animations, or where you need a static camera and you want to check out different corners and positions to see how the lightning and the path tracing bounces off the scene. So if you have lights here or a sun, then this camera view would be interesting, because the light comes from the left side here and you have nice refraction maybe on the water here. This would be less interesting because you're looking from the direction of the light. So the shadow would come here and basically you would have darkness here because there wouldn't be any light. So yeah, that's that kind of stuff. So left control alt numpad 0 changes your perspective to the camera, the active camera. Really handy. You can place it anywhere, so you can place it here and you have a close shot, just like that. So this saves a lot of time, especially if you're you can get the feeling in Blender a little bit with this, because the camera is one of the most important things. Getting to know everything you can do with the camera, and just yeah, it's a great program. By the way, if you press numpad 0, you go out of the camera perspective and you can move freely around it, and your camera will stay at the position you selected it. So you can actually start tweaking here, like oh, another tip, I guess I could explain that as well. If you hold shift and middle mouse button, you can move the pan, so you can pan the view, and then you can do basically everything with the camera. So for static movement, no movement, just being a static camera, this will help you a lot. So if you hold left shift a middle mouse button, you pan. And so yeah, you can actually get a really good shot then of that scene you want. Maybe even a little closer, then you just maybe 2 steps, and there you go. Look at that, you got a good camera position right now. The object is almost in the middle of the scene. You can make it more perfect, I guess, if you'd like to. Go a little lower, like this. And now the cube is almost on the horizon in the middle, so it's pretty good. There we go. So yeah guys, hopefully you enjoyed this short tutorial about camera perspective. Take it easy guys.